Something knocked my bird feeder open. And since they can't get to the perch, they just crawl inside. Little stinkers. I got the car started, warmed up to go to the restaurant. I guess I'll have to go out there first and fix it. It's not slowing them down. They just spill it out onto the ground, into that feeder right there, and go to town on it. I've got a pair of cardinals, a couple males, a couple females coming in. They're even eating the cat food. There's a dish just beyond that green feeder, and can't see it now, but there's a bird right below in the area of it. I'll put cat food out for the feral cat, and the blue jays eat it, and that dark bird is out there probably eating probably fat from one of the bones, from steak bones or something. Could be cat food, who knows? Look at that. Every once in a while something startles them and they'll fly off, then they come back. I don't know if it's a larger bird that does it or what, but I'm just standing still, so it's not me. Well, I'm gonna go to the restaurant. I'm hungry.